How to add Apple Pay to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So first, there are going to be two different ways that you can do this. The first one is going to be through Shopify Payments, and you need to be either in the US, UK, and Canada, I believe, to be eligible to have Shopify Payments. But if you don't, there's also another way that you can go about this. So if you're in the US, Canada, or UK, you simply just want to go to the Settings tab from the bottom left and click on Payments. This is going to show you that you can add your Shopify Payments and activate it from here. So you simply just want to click on Activate Shopify Payments and go through the information needed that you need to actually provide in order to create your Shopify Payments. It's going to ask you different kind of business information, whether you're a business or individual. So just fill these out, and then you're just going to have different options of payment methods that you can use, including Apple Pay. Now, I can't really show you this because I'm not in one of those regions, but this is going to be extremely simple if you fill out this Shopify Payments tab. Now, if you are not in one of those locations and you want to enable Apple Pay on your store, it's also possible. Don't panic. You simply, again, just want to log into your Shopify admin, go to the Settings tab from the bottom left, and you just want to click on Payments. This time, you just want to click on Choose a Provider and pick a provider that does actually offer this. So you have, you're going to be able to find them from here. You can see that this CyberSource one does actually accept Apple Pay, but usually you just want to go for ones that you trust and is popular in your region. For example, for us, or the most popular one really is going to be Stripe. So if you scroll down or just search for it, you should be able to find Stripe card payments, and it does actually accept Apple Pay. All you need to do is just click on it, click on Install, and just follow through the steps needed to fully install this provider to your Shopify store. Now, this is going to be different from one app to another. Stripe is very straightforward. You simply just want to connect Stripe, your account, to your Shopify account. And that's all you need to do. So just click on Install one more time and follow through these steps, and you should be done. You should have Apple Pay ready to go for your Shopify store. With that being said, this is pretty much how to add Apple Pay to your Shopify. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.